Los Angeles. You're driving down a road looking for a spot to park when you see an open spot to pull in, but the curb is yellow. Can you park there? Generally speaking, paint on a curb is used to signify drop-off spots, pickup zones, and other parking rules. Like, for instance, before I compiled some research on this subject, I honestly had no idea that yellow zones were open to park in after 6 p.m. daily and totally unenforced on Sundays. Cool, right? So can you park in a yellow zone? Today, passengers' vehicles may stop or stand for loading and unloading of passengers and items for 5 minutes. In addition, commercial vehicles may stop or stand for loading and unloading of freight for 30 minutes. A yellow loading zone is enforceable every day from 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. except Sunday. For violating parking rules, you may be fined or towed away.